Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over basic algebra. For our first math problem, we are asked to solve for x. To do this, we need to isolate x. This can be done in 3 steps. First, let's move n to the right side of the equation by adding n to both sides. Second, move 1 to the right by subtracting it from both sides, leaving us with just 4 times x on the left. This will allow us to easily enact our third step to complete the equation, dividing each side by 4 to fully isolate x and give us its value. Let's try a harder one. 0 equals 10x squared plus 10x, 560. This time we will need to use the quadratic formula to solve this one. Fill in the equation like so. And then simplify the denominator and the square root portion of the formula, keeping order of operations in mind. Remember, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then, addition and subtraction. Now that we have simplified the fraction portion, we must solve the formula by adding and subtracting minus 10 to 7.5, which will give us two values for x, 7 and minus 8. Now that we have simplified the fraction portion, we must solve the formula by adding and subtracting minus 10 to 7.5, which will give us two values for x, 7 and minus 8. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.